Hi there, I have been sent this lovely little recipe just for a little lunch from one of my subscribers, so I am going to adapt it for me. And I have my gluten-free bagels, my dairy-free cheese, dairy-free butter, prosciutto, peach and honey, and I'm going to show you how we put this together. So first of all, I'm going to toast my bagel. So I've buttered the bagel and I have sliced some of my dairy-free cheese and put that on top of it, and I'm going to add the prosciutto. Prosciutto on top of the cheese. I have sliced up a fresh pear, thin slices, pop that on top of it. And I have drizzled the top of this with honey, and that is then ready. Look at that, can you see that nice honey on top? Delicious. Lunch is served.